Hello guys, it's Knex here. Today I will show you the Skorpion 62. So here it is. This is my very first time building this type of gun. So that's what this gun shoots. It shoots the dark grey connectors. So we have the handle right here, the body, and then you have the magazine here, and then that's the front, or well, it's not really a long barrel, but yeah, that's the front of it. And then you have the rem rod, the pin for shooting, and then you have the foresight, and then you've got that bit at the front right there. So that's that side, and then here's another side. Maybe a wee bit the same, but it is a wee bit different. As you can see, I'm using the black Knex. Yeah, I've been had it for a wee while. Well, like I said from my last Knex gun video. So I will put the bullets in a magazine and then shoot with this. So we have the Skorpion 62. So I'm gonna take the magazine out. So that's what the magazine looks like. I forgot mentioned the gun does not use any broken parts, and once I'm done this, I will do instructions for this gun, which is the first time I've done it. Well, like this time it's the other Knex, like other colours. So anyway, before I do that, I'm just going to show you. So the gun shoots the dark grey connectors, as you can tell. So you just put them in like that. About 7 or 8 of them, but I just put it as a 7. So they're all in there. So you put it onto the gun until you hear the click, and then you push it in, and then you put the rubber band on it. Oops. So here we have. So that's what it looks like. So I just put it from right there, which is fine anyway. So now this gun is ready, so you're just going to pull this back like that, and then you pull down the trigger and shoot like that. So you can do this if you want as well. It shoots quite hard. I was going to make it really powerful, but I don't want to make it too powerful because the bits may get block, or maybe not got caught, but sometimes it might break, and so you don't want to make it too powerful. Okay, I think that will do. So, okay, that's that. I'm going to show how I built this, so I hope you enjoy. there you have the Knex Skorpion 62. So we're just going to go over, just make sure the trigger's quite smooth, and the rubber band's stretched to here, and then map it round to this blue wad, the same wad, and also the pin. So that's roughly about to here as well, where the trigger is. And then the magazine, of course. So what I do, you put that back, and then you shoot. The gun shoots the dark grey connectors, so you just put that out. So that's what you should have. So I just put them in like that. Like that. And then you put it onto the gun until the click clicks in. And then you put the bullet pusher, and then it just goes in. And then you use that size of a rubber band. I put mine's a bit up here, round a bit up there. So I still got this one as well, which I'm going to block up. So now this gun is ready to fire. So you pull back the pin and then pull down the trigger and it fires. Like that. Even though there's another one, but I just left the one, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. I mean, it's the very first time me do instructions, so I'm keeping this as a collection, so I'm gonna keep it with my other gun. So there you have the Knex Skorpion 62. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like, comments, and subscribe for more, and for my Knex roller coasters as well. So yeah, thanks guys for watching. Goodbye.